right now. Tim Essig gonna take a swing at the top spot. How low can you go? Good run out of Tim Essig. There it is, 4.004. 188 miles an hour, and Tim Essig goes to the top. Comes into the top bulb. They're on the right side. The Morton family is to take on Chris Powers for world champ. Red light start for Chris by 22 thou, and he goes 4:09.3. Elijah was right alongside him at 4:09.0. 176 miles an hour for both of those race cars. Got bumped down a few positions throughout qualifying. Ken Cartuccio, 3:61.6. 204 miles an hour. And Jason follows through at 3:65 at 2:04. Winner of this pair goes to the finals for Nitrous Wars. Chris's car was on a run. He had to pedal it, and look at the numbers, 3.666. 206 miles an hour, a whole lot of sixes in there for Jay. 388 at 189 miles an hour. Chris Rini gets to the other end of the racetrack. That run for Jay is your new #1 qualifying elapsed time.